to Gotisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the value of y if in one bracket y squared plus 1 all raised to the power y squared is equal to 1000 raised to the power 3. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. Okay, let's write this in terms of indices. So 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. So in all, this equation becomes y squared plus 1 all raised to the power y squared, which is equal to 10 to the power 3 all raised to the power 3. And according to indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power n, a raised to the power mn. So we multiply. We are going to have y squared plus 1 all raised to the power y squared, which is equal to 10 to the power 9. That is 3 times 3. Now, let's look at the left hand side. We have y squared plus 1. Okay, so we can rewrite 10 so that it will be similar to the expression on the left hand side. So 10 can be written as 9 plus 1. So which implies that y squared plus 1 all raised to the power y squared is equal to 9 plus 1 all raised to the power 9. So let's compare. We have y squared here, y squared plus 1 plus 1. So we can confidently say that comparing both sides, we can say that y squared is equal to 9. So y squared minus 9 is equal to 0 when we bring it to the left hand side. And we can write it as y all squared minus 3 all squared is equal to 0. Now this is difference of two squares. And this implies that y plus 3 times y minus 3 is equal to 0. And if you have something like this, y plus 3 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So with this, y is equal to minus 3 or y is equal to 3. Viewers, thank you very much for staying with me. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button.